Welcome, jewelry enthusiasts. My name is Suzanne, and I'll be your host today as we explore the beauty, the history, the intrigue, and more of this beautiful stone, Andalusite. I'll be inviting our very own graduate gemologist on to tell us even more about this stone, give us some tips on how to care for it, and also show you a really quick and simple earring project that you can make on your own. Enjoy the video.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Andalusite is a fascinating gemstone named after Andalusia, Spain, where it was first discovered. Significant deposits are also found in Brazil, Sri Lanka, and the United States. Metaphysically, Andalusite is revered for its protective and grounding energies. It is believed to enhance clarity and insight, promote balance and harmony, and foster personal transformation. These properties make it a popular choice among those seeking emotional stability and stress relief. Whether admired for its beauty or metaphysical benefits, Andalusite remains a captivating gemstone that inspires both collectors and jewelry enthusiasts.
Hi, Deb. Welcome.
Hi, Suzanne.
Great to see you.
Good to be back.
So today we are looking at this beautiful stone, Andalusite, and I was hoping you could kind of help us and give us some more information about it.
So it's the first time it was found in Andalusia in Spain. Yeah, it's not much known in the jewelry industry. It just started since last couple of years. Our designers, they love this stone because of the different colors under different lights. And so we started getting in the different closeouts. Now we started adding as a regular item.
Okay, and I can see why. It's absolutely beautiful. It looks like it combines well with gold and silver. And then you mentioned the different colors, and I am noticing that in a different light or different angles, there seems like there's different colors.
Yeah,
True?
Yeah, that's true. So when we are traveling, so we keep one of the instrument. You can see this. It's called dichroscope. Okay. So under this, with the white light, we can see like three different colors, three to four different colors for this stone, this particular stone. And this is also known as poor man's alexandrite. In different light, it shows a brown color, green color, as well as sometimes red and orange colors.
Okay, and that would also probably be great colors of stones to pair this with too, because it would pick up some of those colors.
That's right.
Okay, so you said red, orange, green.
Green, yeah, olive green color. And so it has one variety is just the green color. So it's called viridine. We don't carry, it's hard to find that stone. But yeah, you see the different color. Even on the strand, there are different shade of the,
I can
each
see
bead
that.
is like individual color.
It's very cool. And as far as jewelry goes, what's the hardness of this stone, and what would you recommend designing jewelry-wise?
It's good for the earrings. The stone has like 7 to 7.5 most hardness. It's good for pretty much rings or earrings, bracelet. Just you have to be careful so it won't break, that's all. The toughness wise is fair.
Okay. And I know it's a little bit pricey, but it's very delicate and beautiful. And I think one of the things to keep in mind is that you don't need a lot of the different beads to make jewelry. So I want to show you a necklace here that the jewelry designers created for me. So you can see just using a couple of beads.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's expensive.
Doesn't take much. Pairs well with gold. And so I think you don't need a lot of the beads to make a jewelry piece.
Yeah, it will. Yeah, with the gold, it goes pretty well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And what would you recommend as far as how to care for the stone, or if we wanted to clean it?
Probably, whenever I come, I always say warm soapy water to clean the jewelry, especially for this because of the fear in the toughness. So we'll use this warm soapy water, the best way to clean it.
Okay. Since this is the poor man's alexandrite, how much per carat is alexandrite?
The good quality can run from 30 to 50,000 a carat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that alexandrite, natural alexandrite is very expensive compared to even diamonds.
Okay, so that makes Andalusite a great choice.
That's right.
So where is the stone mined, or where do we buy it from?
So right now it's raw material mostly coming from Brazil and Sri Lanka. And it's also mined in the U.S., Colorado and California, as well Canada. But our mostly is Brazil. And sometimes we get it from Sri Lanka, but cut and polishing is all done in India. It's all hand cut. So,
Well, and I'm noticing how beautiful it is, the hand cut beads here, the briolettes.
yeah,
some
they're
rondelles.
it's not machine cut. None of those beads are, especially those teardrops. Yeah, it's individually, each piece is done by hand.
But we talked about how that's so great too, because your jewelry then is one of a kind.
One of a kind.
Yeah, so keep in mind some of the bead sizes may vary. And then what I thought we'd do today, Dev, for our jewelry project is make a pair of earrings to match this necklace.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
So, and I only need two of these beads to do it. We've actually paired it here with a gold-filled ear wire. Just take a look at that, how beautiful that is.
It matches perfectly, yeah.
Yeah, great. A great look there. And this is super simple. All I'm going to need is the head pin here, one of the beads, and then the ear wire.
Perfect.
So all I have to do is place this bead on the ear wire. I'm going to use our looping pliers. They are so simple and easy. They make perfect loops every time. You're going all the way to the base of the bead.
And makes a loop.
Through, and look, it's done. So I'm just going to use a pair of chain nose pliers. I'm going to open up this loop here. And then simply close it.
Oh, here you have designer ear.
And I'm done.
Perfect.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, looks nice.
Super simple. This is something you can even make.
I'll just take it as is.
Okay, you can have the earrings. I'll keep the necklace.
All right.
Well, thank you so much, Deb, for joining us today. It's always nice having you teach us about the different gemstones.
Thanks, Susan. It was a pleasure.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Thanks for learning about Andalusite with us today. If you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Go online and sign up for our email newsletter to get even more jewelry making ideas. And find all of the products that you saw today in the links below in the product description. Thanks for joining. Happy beading!